Girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl KEYZZ here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And today we're just doing a wig review from Wig Queen, so let's get into it. This is the wig. It's looking really nice, like it's really bouncy and everything. The lace is very pretty, as you guys can see. It's a little bit pre-plucked, but I'll do my own little plucking. I didn't bleach it or anything. I'm just gonna put some foundation powder on it because it's a 5x5. And inside it has the elastic band, which I think is really nice. Has clips right here on both sides. Has one in the back and the adjustable string. So I went ahead and put some powder here. I'm not doing the ball cap method. I'm not in that. So I'm just gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in Coconut 350 and just put it on the lace. Just gonna hold it in and just put it in. So I got the powder all over the wig. I'm just gonna pop that on. It's, you know, the powder, and it looks, I think it looks good, but let's fix this, because and I took my Ghost Bond glue and I took this little thing here to spread it out, and now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just blow dry. So it's drying off for me because I'm gonna tie it down anyways for it to get in there. So I'm gonna take the lace and just put it into the glue. I hope I'm in the frame. Then I'm just gonna take the comb and press it down. So I'm just plucking out some more of the hair, and I'm just using water in that spray bottle. Here I'm just using my Aussie hairspray to melt the lace in even more. Here I'm just gonna take my hair tie and just tie down the lace so it melts even better. So I decided to do a middle part, and I'm just taking my wax stick to get the flyaways to stay down. here I'm just taking my hot comb to make sure that it's really flat. So I'm just taking my flat iron to make sure that the ends are all straight and nice, and I'm just doing my little baby hairs. And I'm just using my Eco Styler gel to lay it down. So I'm taking the powder and I'm just putting it at the front. Just so it looks more like scalp. And remember that part right here. Make sure you put foundation there. Just to camouflage it like a little bit, because it's like all black. So where the lace ends, just put some powder in that bad boy. And this is the final result, guys. I went ahead and did a quick little makeup, you know, off camera, but this is the finished look. I'm loving it with my makeup. I know I'm gonna need some lashes and some eyeliner, but not in the mood right now, so we're just doing this. And yeah, I really like this here actually. I didn't thought I was gonna like it, but I actually do. So really cute and simple. I really like it, and how flat I got it. It's popping, whatever. Oh. Yeah, so I really like it. It's cute. So guys, anyways, without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, baby. If you didn't already, what are you doing? Please tell me. Let me wait. What are you doing? Tell me down in the comments below. Okay, because I want to know. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.
Girl, fuck that drama. If it ain't about the money bounce, you know you the shit.